Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky, Unsupervised Learning. Ever wonder how online stores know what you might like before you even search for it? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are breaking down unsupervised learning in machine learning. It sounds complex, but by the end of this video, you will completely understand how computers find hidden patterns all on their own. In regular supervised learning, we give the computer data along with the correct answers, like showing it thousands of photos labeled dog or cat. But unsupervised learning is different. We give the computer raw, unlabeled data and say, hey, figure this out yourself. The computer looks for similarities, differences, and hidden structures without any human giving it pre-labeled answers. The first major technique in unsupervised learning is clustering. Think of this like sorting a huge pile of unsorted laundry. You don't need labels to know that white shirts go in one pile, dark jeans in another, and colorful socks in a third. The algorithm groups similar data points together based on shared characteristics like shape, color, or behavior. Next up is association. This is all about finding hidden relationships between items in a dataset. Have you ever noticed how grocery stores place peanut butter right next to jelly? An association algorithm discovers rules like if a customer buys item X, they are likely to buy item Y. This is heavily used in market basket analysis to discover shopping habits. The third core technique is dimensionality reduction, using tools like PCA. Imagine you have a giant spreadsheet with hundreds of columns of information. It can be overwhelming. Dimensionality reduction algorithms simplify the data by squeezing out unnecessary variables while keeping the most important information intact. It is like turning a complex 3D object into a clear 2D shadow. So where is this actually used in real life? E-commerce platforms like Amazon use unsupervised learning to group customers with similar shopping habits together. This allows them to automatically create personalized product recommendations. Banks also use it for anomaly detection to spot credit card fraud by highlighting suspicious transactions that don't fit normal patterns. Here is an important thing to remember: unsupervised algorithms only group data based on math and statistics. They don't actually know what the groups mean in the real world. That is why human analysis is essential after the process. A human domain expert must inspect the clusters and give them meaningful labels, like budget shoppers or high-risk account. To wrap it up, unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data to uncover hidden patterns using clustering, association, and dimensionality reduction. It powers everything from customer segmentation to fraud detection. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple AI breakdowns, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.